Oh, Mr. Present Perfect! You look all wrapped up. What gift have you brought for me today? Please, come in. And meanwhile, I'll introduce you to our listeners. This is present perfect tense. Subject plus have or has plus the past participle. For example, I have eaten. She has grown. We use present perfect to talk about something that has happened in the past and is still fresh and relevant in the present moment. Just like this present, it has just arrived. It has made me happy. You can feel it. You can see it. This event is connected to the present moment. Let's look at some examples. Yeah, I have one. The pizza has arrived. Oh no, I have missed the bus. By the way, meet Mr. Present Perfect's 3 best friends. Just, already, yet. These words tell you this is recent, this is relevant, this has a connection to the present moment. For example, he has just scored a goal. I have already packed my bags. It hasn't stopped raining yet. Okay, it's time to practice. Press pause and complete the sentences one by one. Now it's time to open the present! Oh wow! Mr. Present Perfect, you have brought me a memory box with different things I have done in my life. Look! I have been to China. I have flown in a helicopter. I have held a baby alligator. Yeah, it is true. Remember, we use present perfect to talk about your experience, places you have visited, food you have tried, people you have met. Think of it like a memory box. Every experience you have ever had goes into the box. It has shaped you, and the box is always present, always connected to who you are right now. Present perfect doesn't care about when it happened or how it happened. It only asks one thing. Has it happened or not? Have you been to Italy? Have you eaten pizza? Have you met a celebrity? These aren't things that have just happened. Maybe they happened a long time ago, but they are part of your story, your collection, your present. The signal words to remember: ever and never. Now press pause and take your time to complete the sentences. So remember, 2 rules. We use present perfect to talk about something that has happened in the past but has a result in the present. And when we talk about our experience and things you have tried before. Present perfect lives in the past, but it speaks to the present.